Hello everyone, this is MJS Pawan. In this video, we'll be discussing the previous year physical science question paper. Before solving the problems, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And watch the previous videos where I have discussed problem number from 1 to 8. And in this video, I am going for other problems. And also, I am providing the solution. I am providing the solution on request basis. So you can request me on the website which will be given in the description. So get your doubt solved there. So let's begin the solving questions. Two bodies of mass m collide with each other in a stationary frame of reference. The reduced mass of the system is. So we need to find the reduced mass. This is very easy to find. They are given two bodies. Two bodies, what they have? The mass m. Means they have the equal mass. M1 is equal to M2, that is equal to M, collide with each other in a stationary frame. So you have to keep in mind that is a stationary frame. So the reduced mass will be mu is equal to M1 into M2 divided by M1 plus M2. The reduced mass becomes, since M1 is equal to M2, M into M divided by M plus M. This becomes m square divided by 2m. mm get cancelled and reduced mass is m by 2. Now let's go for question number 10. A cyclic coordinate does not explicitly appear in means some coordinate which is not exist in the Lagrangian or the Hamiltonian. So the thing is here is explicitly, not implicitly function, implicit value. In particular coordinates, it doesn't appear in the Lagrangian. It is called as an cyclic, or it can be called as ignorable coordinate. You can tell like this is, there is no dependency for Lagrange L of dl. If I take dh by dq, how you can write minus p dot. So there is no q present in this Hamiltonian. So what we call this as an cyclic coordinate, or in another way, in the physical meaning of this cyclic coordinate is it is conserved. There is no existence of that constraint where it is changing. Like if suppose if I consider a cone, how you find the Lagrangian of this cone? If I tell that it is fixed and rotating with some radius r, so here r is fixed, so there is not varying in the function. So the thing is, in the Lagrangian it becomes cyclics. So the variable it will be not exist in the Lagrangian. So this first term becomes a, and there is another term Hamiltonian we have discussed. Suppose if the q is not present in the Hamiltonian, then we'll say that dh by dq is equal to 0. This we call as cyclic. As the q doesn't present in the Hamiltonian, so we can write p dot is equal to 0, equating this with this. P dot is equal to 0 and p is constant with time. Okay, when you take the time derivative, there is no existence of this q, then this becomes a cyclic, and the momentum will be constant with the time. And one more thing you have to keep mind is like, is the time is depend upon the it is momentum is depend upon the time or not. Exactly, it is not depend upon the time, it depend upon the direction of motion, as it is a vector quantity. So in which direction does the particle or a system is moving, based on that the momentum is dependent. But the another thing is, momentum principle depend upon the change in the time, which is you have to keep in mind. And the work energy function or the principle depend upon the displacement, not on the time. These are the key words you have to remember. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and we shall solve the other remaining question in the next video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section, and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.